warming trend in our 7-day forecast when I come back.
Well, July is traditionally the worst month for ticks.
And this year expected to be an especially bad season. Our Melissa Bates on the story showing us how to protect ourselves and what's going around. Melissa.
Well, the challenging part about ticks is that you don't have to be walking actually through the infested areas. You can literally just be walking by them or cuddling up to your dog and get bit. Carol Shull says she's used to ticks because she lives in the Black Swamp area, but that doesn't mean she likes them.
Actually, my granddaughter just had one that we had to remove from her back. So
how did that go?
She doesn't want to come to our house anymore.
And it's not hard to get bit by a tick.
And they're going to wait for us to walk by.
Heather Norris is a Metro Parks naturalist.
They're going to have their little pinchers out, and as you walk by, they're likely to, when you brush up against them, attach to your clothes, and then they're going to crawl up and try to find some place to attach.
This can happen when you walk by tall grass, or
even in your yard, if you have tall grass, you want to make sure you check yourself for ticks when you come in from weeding or playing in the grass.
When it comes to removing ticks,
you want to go as close to the skin as possible with fine-tipped tweezers and pull it straight out.
Even then, you could be infected with Lyme disease, the most common tick-borne illness in our area.
Depends on how long the tick has been there.
Vaughn Hoblet is a ProMedica certified nurse practitioner.
Things you want to look for, signs and symptoms, are a rash called erythema migrans, which is a bullseye rash. It will have a reddened central area with some clearing and then another reddened area on top of that as well.
That's a sign you may be dealing with Lyme disease and needs immediate treatment.
We put you on something like doxycycline as long as you're over 8 years old, 200 milligrams a day for at least 21 days.
Now, Lyme disease can cause lifelong disability if it's not treated, problems with your joints, and neurological issues. So if you have been bitten and you've got any questions at all, see your health care provider. Reporting live, Melissa Bates, 13 ABC Action News. Back to you.
All right, Melissa, good advice. Thank you. Well, teeing off today, the LPGA Marathon Classic officially in town. Back for another great week of summertime.